I finally got to change my camera light, guys, kasi nasira na yung Numo light ko. Last time I used, this is how it looks at nabali talaga siya. So, instead of getting the exact same one, kasi I really like this one too. Pero, naisip ko lang, why not try something else? And also, I'm craving for something na bigger and brighter. Parang ganon, but still looking for clip-on style na camera light. So, the same with this, kasi itong Numo ko, nabali yung clip niya. So, I'm looking for a much sturdier clip-on light this time. So, yun nga, yung unang napansin ko talaga dito is mas malaki yung face niya compared dun sa Numo light ko. And look at the size difference. And because mas malaki siya, so, syempre, mas malawak din yung sikat ng liwanag niya at hindi siya yung dry na spot lang sa mukha mo when you are getting the light. Same pa rin naman yung modes niya. Meron siyang tatlong temperature, yung warm, cool, and mix white. So, adjustable din yung dynamic. So, kung anong vibe na gusto mo, you can adjust it accordingly. Tapos, meron din siyang kasamang charger niya and also the clip. So, kasi some of the stores na nakita ko, wala siyang kasamang yung clip. Binibili mo siya like separately kasi meron din silang option na yung merong hawakan handle instead of the clip-on. So I got this one kasi diretso na siya, like isang isang package na siya with the clip-on. And isa pa, I prefer the clip-on kasi usually talaga I'm using the phone. So talagang kiniklip ko lang siya para mas less hassle. So overall no, I've got no regrets moving on from my old one. Parang naging standard upgrade na low-key pero laking tulong talaga siya for the video quality, guys. So if you're curious and wanted to try this, I've got the link down below.